So today, this is a quick tutorial on how to get your online tutorial booking system up and running. And we use Google Calendars and youcanbookme. So if you don't have a Google account, the first thing you need to do is create a Google account. If you already have a Google account, then you can skip past this section onto the youcanbookme section. Right, so the first thing is, once you get onto the Google page, you can get a sign in. I'm going to create a new account here, so I'm just going to pretend that's not mine and click sign up, and then I'll just ask you for your details. So I'll just Gmail account, so I prefer to use my current email address. And now you can use your university address if you like, or any other address. Create a password. It asks for your some details, mail, and mobile number. Don't think you need to give us. You might need to. We'll check. 438849. United Kingdom. Yes. So you can, however you like your privacy. Your next step. Let's see if they like that. Not having almost done. They're going to send me a verification email. And I will probably need to click on that. So there we go. I've now clicked on the verification email. Thank you for verifying your email address, and I can now create that. So you can create a public profile if you want. Alternatively, we'll just go to the next step. And we'll get started. And once you've created that, you'll see all this bar at the top here for Maps, Play, YouTube, News, Gmail, Drive, and Calendar. And this is the one we're most interested in, the calendar, because this is what's going to link to the online booking system. Okay, so we've done that. Now we can go to here. And this is the booking system we're going to use. It is called youcanbookme. We're going to link it to our Gmail account or our Google account. So get your free account. Say yes, we already have a Google account. Link us to your calendar. That's what we want to do. Allow access to manage the calendars. Now it's just setting us up. There we go. Now it's created an account for us. Now it'll tell us the name of your organization. Northumbria University. We can change all this a bit later. Next step, this is just a quick setup. So let's call myself on this one Dr. Ansley. You can really, whoops, see. Dr. Ansley. You can really choose whatever you want. Next step. Hours, you can just put in here your hours, 9 to 5. How long are your bookings? We usually have 10-minute booking slots, so I'll put in a 10-minute slot there. No, we're not in the United States, we're UK, and our time zone is Europe. London. Okay, next step. Choose a theme. Well, this is whatever you like. That's the one that I have in my one. And once you've chosen that theme, you'll see at the bottom here how it populates it. the moment it's showing that I have all those time slots free during the day. So we want to dive straight into the advanced settings here. So there we have my booking link. It's drlesansley.youcanbookme. Whatever you want, you can put the title. I might want to change it to the Northumbria University, put Dr. Les Ansley. So when they go onto my page, that's the header. Click on any time to make a booking or any other blurb that you want to put in here. So something like booking slots are 10 minutes. Dissertation students can book up to 3 slots. If you cannot make any of these, please email me at to make an alternative appointment. So there we go, and we will save that. So this down here, this is what the students will see. So let's just take it online right now. Save that. Okay, so that's the basic setup. Now we want to go into times. We'll click on times here, and you'll see that we've got all the days of the week here. You probably don't want to work on a Saturday or Sunday with tutorials, and you probably don't want to show Saturday and Sunday. Display 10-minute slots, minimum booking 10 minutes, default booking is 10 minutes, and maximum, because we said that the dissertation students can book 3, that's up to 30 minutes. We want to display 1 week per page, and I think we want to start on a Monday. Save that right now. Okay, there we go. Now we still have the problem that it shows us available for the entire day. Now this is where it starts getting useful. This on-duty event sounds slightly confusing, but what this essentially means is if you create an event in your Google Calendar called tutorials, so it matches this name here, then this software, or this app, will search your Google Calendar and only populate, there we go, will only populate your tutorial calendar with the time frames that you've put in your Google Calendar as tutorials. And so if we go back to our Google Calendar here, we go into Calendar, close all that. Right, so we want to create an event today at 12 o'clock. We call it tutorials. And we want that to go from 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock, so 2-hour tutorial. Now, very important, once you've set this up, you must show yourself as available. And now we save that in our Google Calendar. So you can see it's set up as tutorials, it's called tutorials, from 12 to 2, and I've made myself available for that. When we go back to this calendar here, so if we preview it in a new window, there we go, from 12 to 2, those are our tutorial slots. And this gives you flexibility then with your tutorial slots. Let's go back here. So now we've done the times. Now we get onto the advanced. Right, so here minimum notice, how far in advance I can book them. maximum advanced booking, so say 4 weeks or 12 weeks, whatever you like. We're in the UK time zone. Show to jump date is useful because it means that they can go to a date or a week that they want. Fixed start date, so I've set mine to the start of semester 1, the end of semester 1, and then of course in semester 2 just roll over, and that is all. Save that. Now here is this clever bit. This is what the students see when they're booking, and it asks them for their email. You can ask them for certain details. So please enter your name. This is a required field. Save that. So now when the students fill in this form for you, for your booking, you've got their name and the email, and you can rearrange it so you probably want their name maybe before the email. Notes instead of notes, which is confusing, perhaps purpose of tutorial, and make that a required field, and save now. So what the students get is please enter your name, your email, purpose of the visit, duration, and then they'll need to type that in and confirm the booking. A lot of this is premium services, so these are really all for premium services, but you can, up here, for cancellations, you can allow cancellations to an hour before the start of the booking. Okay, now, and there we go. What you'll notice, of course, is that at the moment it looks like you have no availabilities, and that's because this appointment in your Google Calendar is before the 23rd. So if we move on to the 23rd, and we say, okay, we'd like a tutorials, we want to edit the event, we want to make it 2 hours long, remember to make it available, save, and then we want perhaps one on Wednesday from 1 o'clock, tutorials, edit event, we want it for 2 hours, and we need to make ourselves available. Once those are done, and we come into this calendar here and we preview in a new pane, what you should notice is that those have been populated. Now when a student clicks on them, so if a student wants to book on that one, it'll take them through to here. It'll say please enter your name, your email, your purpose, and your duration up to 30 minutes, and confirm booking. This will then send you an email, and it'll populate your calendar with this booking. Of course, I realize that we don't use Google Calendars, we use Outlook. What you can do is you can now view this, you can subscribe to this calendar from your Outlook calendar. So what you do is you would go down to your calendar here, so click on there, go across to calendar settings, and this private address, click on iCal, right click and copy the link, and then you would go into your Outlook and you would create a new internet calendar and paste that link into Outlook, and you'll subscribe then to this calendar, and it'll show up in your Outlook. Unfortunately, you can't create events in your Outlook on this calendar because Outlook does not allow you to create events on internet calendars. So you will need to log into your Google Calendar to create all your tutorial events, but they will show up in your Outlook calendar. So I hope that was useful, and good luck with your online calendars. Thank you.